Do you want to convert a video to an audio file on your iPhone? It's really simple and I'm going to be showing you how, so just follow along. All right, so for all new iPhones and iOSs, they come installed. So that means you could just go to the search and type in shortcuts and it will pop up. It's this pink and purple one. But if you don't have this app, what you can do is just go ahead and download it in the App Store. And once you do, it'll take you to this page. Now go ahead and follow along. It's a little bit technical, but I'm not going to explain that. I'm just going to show you guys what to do to convert the video to the audio file. So go ahead and push plus. Now, once we get a plus, we're in what's called actions. So then go ahead, and the first thing I want you to type in is select photos, because that's most likely where you have your videos. So as you see right here, I just put SE and then I see select videos. Go ahead and tap that. Now, once we tap that, we're going to go ahead and press that arrow. Now, I'm going to give you the option. You could say select multiple and turn that on, or just leave it as one. If it's only one video, then forget about that. But once we do, if you have more than one video, then you want to turn that on. Once we're done with that, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in encode media. So E-N. Okay, so then we see encode media right there. We're going to go ahead and press that. Now, once we're here, this is important. Go ahead and open that with the arrow and you'll see audio only. So go ahead and turn that on. Now, we're not done yet, but the last action we're going to be showing you is where it's saved. So after it converts it, it's somewhere that you can find. Now, all you have to do is type in save files. So then once we're here, now I'm going to have you press this arrow again and ask where to save. Make sure that's turned on so you know where the file is going to go after. And when you're done, then just press the play button down here. Then it's going to take you to your select photos, your gallery, and I'm going to go ahead and just push this one. And so I can also, because I turn on multiple, I can actually do more than one. But for the video sake, I'm just going to do the short one. And so I'm going to press that. And then it's going to ask me where do I want to save it. And it could be on my iPhone, or I can also put it in the iCloud Drive. So for now, I'm just going to leave it on my iPhone. And we're going to put open. And then so it automatically already saved it. Now you can go ahead and also rename it. So I can just put a video, or video 1. And I'll just leave it as that, as an example. And then now, when I go to my files folder, I should be able to find it right away. Oh, hold on. I'm back in browse and then went to on my iPhone, and right here it is. So if the shape of AirPods don't fit well with your ears, then... Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. So just follow along. You might need to watch it more than once and then just go through that step 1, 2, 3. Okay, so select photos and then encode media and then save files. The saving files is important so you know where to find it. All right, if this video helps, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.